Hi all of you, I'm Shabbir Ahmed Bashir. I've been the teacher for geography for almost more than 21 years. And from Edukemy, I would like to congratulate all those of you who have qualified in the last 2020 mains. We've had more than 51 results, and I'm thankful for the fact that you all bestowed your faith in us. This is an invitation for all of you to join our Geography Foundation course. Geography is the pillar of GS in many ways. Geography is related to paper 1, topics of governance, topics of environment, topics related to sustainable development, even issues on ethics. Geography has a huge overlap with a lot of current affairs. And in recent times, geography has also been delivering consistently decent results. We provide you with one of the most comprehensive courses for Geography Foundation. We have sessions on maps. We teach you how to draw the maps, how you can locate the entries, and also remember the whole process using some techniques of lines and dots in map plotting. We support you with answer writing and doubt clearance sessions also. Geography is a very interesting subject given the fact it covers a huge range of political and cultural issues also. Ours is a commitment where we'll deliver you the coverage of the syllabus of the geography in the foundation series. There are approximately 20 units with about 15 to 20 subtopics in each unit. And in Edukemy, we have a very interesting way of discussing and teaching. We engage in live discussions where you can ask us your doubts. We also initiate and encourage you to read the proper textbooks also. In the class sessions, we help you mark your textbooks. We help you take down notes and teach the unique method of summarizing your daily notes also. So I invite you to come and join our foundation course. It's a 6 months course with more than 300 hours of live sessions online. In many ways, at Edukemy, we have been the pioneers of launching foundation course live. And our courses are well supported with academic associates helping you with doubt clearance, notes making. We support you with a lot of resources also. Our notes, we also provide you with reference materials. We have our communes, groups of students where you all come and interact as though it is a live session happening in offline conditions. With Edukemy's online programs in Geography Foundation and other optionals, you can study from the best of the faculty from any part of the country. Our programs are so designed that we incorporate current affairs based issues also. We teach you some bit of answer writing also. Foundation course is the pillar to develop your base for Geography Optional. Do consider us for the Geography Optional Foundation courses at Edukemy.